Welcome to FX Street. Today we are going to talk about Polygon recovering as bulls are on the front foot, targeting 10% of gains. But before we dive into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. Looking at Polygon or Matic price action, is not for the fainted ones or for the faint-hearted, but luckily, all in all, price is still very much in check. The low of January 24 did not even get tested yesterday, although it looked like with the sell-off on Sunday and on Monday that Matic would go towards that level, but it didn't. We saw a full 180-degree turnaround later on in the day. As more positive tailwinds came in, investors looked beyond the current situation, and at the moment there hasn't been any further flaring up of violation or attacks or military actions. So for now, all quiet and steady as she goes until the next headline, and that means a crucial point here for Polygon that we need to stress out, because although some other cryptocurrencies are on the front foot as well, Polygon could be a little bit of a tricky one with this possible bull trap that we have here against the $1.57 handle here. It will be either imperative that we see a break above, and if possible, preferably even a close above this level. That would mean that the risk of a bull trap is out of the way, and only a false breakout by tomorrow would still be in the cards, but that limits anyway the case of this being sort of a dead cat bounce or any bull traps for that matter. So once the US session comes up on full speed, we should see some more investors diving in, which would see a further squeeze on demand and then see price push further upwards. And from there, actually, there's a bit of a low-hanging fruit there. If you see here, there you go, roughly 9%, 10% if it can take a little bit further of gains. But that will be probably it for either today or for the rest of the week, because then it gets very tough nuts to crack with this green ascending trend line. You have the 200-day simple moving average coming in here as well at $1.71, and just above at $1.75 we have a sort of historical pivotal level that has been well respected, and I need to even go further back towards June 5 of 2021 to see, and as you can see, it has been a bit of a pivotal up above. Trade, a bit choppiness here, but then again, respect to the downside, respect. So that $1.75 handle, quite an important one. So three cap levels that could cap price action to the upside, but still, all in all, 10% of gains. And from this level, it will depend. Should bulls be able to push it above the green trend line, expect then maybe a reboot of the uptrend back towards $2.48 or $2.50. But as for the moment, at least target that 10%. Same goes for our barometer with the relative strength index, the RSI, who will be probably popping above 50, but is still nowhere near being overbought. So all green lights on that matter for Polygon to make some nice gains today and in the next coming days to come. But like I said in the introductory status, all it depends on headlines. Should Putin come out and give some further rhetoric against the EU, or should more sanctions come out of the EU, for example, which would put Russia and global markets on the back foot? Expect then probably a full pullback towards the low of yesterday, around $1.35, and then of course a retest of $1.30 below from the January 24th, and then probably an overshoot towards $1.20, and that would bring us here towards the support level that goes back to July 4th. So all in all, could go either way, possibly 10% loss to the downside, 10% gain to the upside, but it will depend on either negative headlines or no headlines at all coming out. So, but as long as the positive tailwinds persist, more upside to come. That's it for Polygon for today. So please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.